Secure your business premises in 5 simple steps with Scutum South East. Fill in our simple online form. Let us know how we can help you by telling us about the security services and products you're interested in. We get back in touch. You'll quickly get a call from one of our experienced security team to find out more about your inquiry. Free site visit. To help determine the best way to proceed with your inquiry, we carry out a free site visit to assess your premises and discuss your security needs in more detail. Free quotation. We'll supply a free, detailed quotation for any work. To ensure you're getting value, we always aim to beat any other quote. We carry out the work. Some services can be completed within a few days, but we can begin a full security installation in as little as a couple of weeks. Get in touch with Scutum South East today if you would like more information or fill out our online form now.